Have you ever made a to-do list, only to find that you barely scratched the surface of your tasks by the end of the day? If your to-do list isn't working, you're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their tasks and staying productive, even with a well-intentioned list. In today's video, we'll explore why your to-do list might be failing and provide actionable strategies to fix it. Stick around until the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet summarizing all the tips and steps we discussed today. Understanding the problem with to-do lists. To-do lists are a popular tool for organizing tasks and improving productivity. However, simply writing down tasks isn't enough to ensure they get done. Common issues include overloading the list with too many tasks, failing to prioritize, and not accounting for interruptions and unexpected tasks. Understanding these pitfalls is the first step toward creating a more effective to-do list. Key concepts. To fix your to-do list and boost your productivity, you need to understand a few key concepts. The first concept is prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal, and it's essential to identify which tasks are the most important. The second concept is time estimation. Accurately estimating how long tasks will take helps you allocate your time more effectively. The third concept is flexibility. Being able to adapt your list as new tasks and interruptions arise is crucial for staying on track. Prioritization. Prioritization involves ranking your tasks in order of importance. The Eisenhower matrix is a useful tool for this. It divides tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. By focusing on the most critical tasks first, you ensure that you're making progress on what truly matters. Time estimation. Accurate time estimation is essential for effective time management. Many people underestimate how long tasks will take, leading to an overloaded and unmanageable to-do list. When adding tasks to your list, include a rough estimate of how long each task will take. This helps you plan your day more realistically and avoid overcommitting. Flexibility. Flexibility is key to managing a to-do list effectively. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected tasks and interruptions are inevitable. Build some buffer time into your schedule to accommodate these surprises. If a new task arises, assess its priority and adjust your list accordingly. Being flexible allows you to stay on track even when things don't go as planned. An ineffective to-do list can lead to increased stress, decreased productivity, and a sense of failure. When tasks pile up and you can't keep up, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and demotivated. By addressing the common issues with to-do lists and implementing effective strategies, you can enhance your productivity, reduce stress, and achieve a greater sense of accomplishment. Emotional impact. An ineffective to-do list can cause significant stress and anxiety. Seeing a long list of tasks with little progress can be discouraging. It can lead to feelings of failure and frustration, impacting your overall mental well-being. By fixing your to-do list, you can reduce these negative emotions and feel more in control of your tasks and time. Practical impact. On a practical level, an ineffective to-do list hampers your productivity. Tasks may get overlooked, deadlines can be missed, and important work may not get the attention it deserves. A well-organized and prioritized to-do list helps ensure that you're focusing on the right tasks and making steady progress toward your goals. Practical tips and actionable advice. Now, let's dive into some practical tips and actionable advice to help you fix your to-do list and boost your productivity. Tip 1. Prioritize your tasks. Start by prioritizing your tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on completing tasks that are both urgent and important first. Tip 2. Estimate time accurately. When adding tasks to your list, include a rough estimate of how long each task will take. Be realistic about your time commitments and avoid overloading your list. Tip 3. Break down large tasks. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. It also allows you to make steady progress and see more items checked off your list. Tip 4. Use time blocks. Allocate specific time blocks for each task on your to-do list. This helps ensure that you dedicate enough time to each task and avoid spending too much time on less important activities. Tip 5. Build in buffer time. Include buffer time in your schedule to accommodate unexpected tasks and interruptions. This flexibility allows you to adapt your list without feeling overwhelmed. Tip 6. Review and adjust daily. Review your to-do list at the end of each day. Assess what you accomplished and adjust your list for the next day based on any new priorities or unfinished tasks. Techniques and habits. To further enhance your productivity and fix your to-do list, consider adopting these techniques and habits. Morning review. Start your day with a morning review of your to-do list. Identify the top 3 tasks you need to complete and focus on them first. This sets a clear direction for your day and ensures that you tackle the most important tasks early on. Task batching. Group similar tasks together and tackle them in batches. For example, respond to all emails in one go rather than sporadically throughout the day. Batching tasks reduces context switching and increases efficiency. Set deadlines. Assign deadlines to your tasks, even if they're self-imposed. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help you stay on track. Be realistic with your deadlines to avoid unnecessary pressure. Use a task management tool. Consider using a task management tool or app to organize your to-do list. Digital tools often come with features like reminders, time tracking, and prioritization, making it easier to manage your tasks effectively. Reflect and improve. Regularly reflect on your to-do list and productivity. Identify what strategies work best for you and be open to making adjustments. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining an effective to-do list. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Prioritize your tasks. Estimate time accurately. Break down large tasks. Use time blocks. Build in buffer time. Review and adjust daily. Conclusion. Congratulations on taking the first step towards fixing your to-do list and boosting your productivity. By understanding common issues, prioritizing tasks, estimating time accurately, and being flexible, you can create a more effective to-do list that helps you achieve your goals. Remember, consistency and persistence are key. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Please leave a comment below, we would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.